Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's a bunch of new products from the drugstore and I'm super excited to try them out for you. The eyeshadow palette, you guys, is only $4.99 and I'm pretty sure it's like the most pigmented thing I own. This lip topper is super affordable and super great, also from the drugstore, and I'm just super excited to be here with you guys today. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Alright, as always, to start I'm gonna use my CeraVe moisturizer. This comes with so much. I've seriously had this for probably about a month and I've barely dipped into it. It's amazing. I usually take about this much. You freak, I just schooled that in my hair. I'm gonna bring that all the way down the neck. So nice. And in between products, I like to go ahead and let it dry for about a minute or two. Next, I'll be taking my vitamin C anti-aging cream from Dead Sea Minerals. I'm just gonna lightly dab that on like always. And the first new product that I'm trying today is from Physicians Formula, and it is their cucumber and bamboo. Why can't I say bamboo? It is their cucumber and bamboo eye depuffer, and I actually tried this a little bit earlier this morning when I was putting on my skincare, and it seemed to work really well. It was really cooling to the eye. It almost felt like peppermint. I really liked it. It was really good. As far as like my eyes not being swollen, I have really puffy eyes, so that's why I wanted to try it. But as far as them not being like swollen and stuff, I think it did a pretty good job just at cooling, just like my eye patches do that I use from Maskology. I'd recommend it for sure. This retails for $8.99. I got mine at Walmart, but I know you can get it at Ulta or Target. It's a keeper. What am I gonna do next? Oh, yes, you. Next, new from the drugstore, I'll be trying this argan wear. It's argan oil from also Physicians Formula. A lot of my products today that I'm trying is from Physicians Formula. It's a good brand. I think it's very underplayed. I would say it's not very popular as I would think it would be, just because the quality of the products are so good, especially for the price. You guys know I love my butter bronzer from there. Very well loved. The product is amazing. So anyways, I'm excited to try this. It says it's supposed to act as a primer, so we'll just do a couple drops here and just rub that in. I've never used a primer before that's oil based, so I'm excited to see how this wears. It is very oily. It doesn't smell, which is good. I hate it when products smell really weird. My face looks really hydrated. I do like that effect that it has. Oh my gosh. Because that product is so oily, I am gonna let that dry. So let's move on to the next product. The next product I'll be using is from Maybelline, and I picked up this brow pencil in number 305. It's a brow definer, and I liked the tip on it. It's kind of got that like triangle top, so I'm excited to try that. I should have opened this before because, and I really like the packaging. It's kind of like a pinky tone color. Ugh, now I can't open from that oil. See, this is what I mean. I really like the applicator, because the only problem I have with my Benefit brow one is that once you use it, that nice tip for long hair like strokes goes away. Gosh, beware, that argan oil makes your hands really oily, so if you want to ever pull things apart, good luck. And then it has this spoolie on the end, which I can appreciate for sure. I'm just gonna brush all the hairs up. Nice little spoolie, I really like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the eye. I'm really liking this product so far. I can usually tell right off the bat with brow pencils. What did I just say? I can usually tell right off the bat with brow pencils. I don't even know what I just said, but it didn't sound right. it's not too creamy and not too stiff of a product. So it's doing a great job at applying the product with hair-like strokes, which I really like. Wow, I really like that. Brow pencils are huge for me, and to find one that I actually like is really awesome. Besides my Benefit one, which retails for like $24. This one only retails for $7.99, so that's amazing. So I was just looking at the like how much you get versus my Benefit brow pencil. With the Maybelline pencil you get 0.005 ounces, and with this you get 0.002 ounces. So you actually get more in this product. Not a lot, but you still get a little bit more. And it's a little bit cheaper, and honestly, it did such a good job at applying my brows. As always, I'm going in with my Essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara to set my eyebrows in place. Okay, next, since I am trying a new eyeshadow palette today, I am going to do that first just in case there's fallout. I don't want it to get on my foundation. So I'll be using this new palette from Wet n Wild, and they have 4 different colors, and it retails for $4.99. There's 4 different colors. It's currently sold out on Ulta, this specific color, and I think they're going fast. I bought this actually at Walmart, so they have it there too. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break now. And yeah, I do care about that. Lordy. Guys, for a drugstore palette, these look super creamy, and I'm just gonna swatch one really quick. Oh my gosh. I'm shook right now. Like, that is so beautiful and so pigmented. Look, I just tried to wipe it off. It's not even coming off all the way. Wow. I'm going to set my eyes with just a little bit of my foundation, and then we'll set it with some powder to make sure we have a really nice base for our eyeshadow. Oh, my nose itches. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set, and I'm taking that on a Real Techniques brush, and this is base shadow brush. It doesn't have a number, it just says it's a base shadow brush. Only thing that I'm not liking about this right now is that it doesn't have a mirror, but still, $4.99. We will see how it performs. Now going in with a fluff brush from e.l.f. I think I'm gonna go into this color right here. No, let's do a warm. Let's do here. I picked up a lot of product. I don't know if you guys can see that on the brush because it's black. And we are just gonna place that up on the brow bone. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy pigmented. I like to bring my transition shade all the way to the inner eye. Oh my gosh. I'm so impressed with that. Blown away. Wow. Just a little tip, I like to hold for the transition shade my brush at the end just to make it less condensed, and the shadow is just very easy to blend. Next, I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk brush. I wish I knew how to say her name. I'm sorry, Sonia. Don't know how to say her name. And we are next going to go into this burnt orange color. This palette I picked up because I always go for the warmer tones. You guys know me. We're just going to place that a little lower than the brow bone. Guys, this is $4.99. Run and get it right now. I don't know what I'm doing on the lid yet, so I'm not putting color down there. And there's like no fallout, so I probably could have done my foundation first and been fine. So pretty. Looky looky. Next, I'll be taking my Morphe M433 brush, and we are gonna go into this even darker shade here for the crease. The one that I swatched, that is crazy pigmented, as you guys can see. And what I like to do for the crease color, another little tip, is I like to place and concentrate most of the product on the outer corner and then just drag it. And I also like to look up so I can see my crease a little bit better. Just kind of like to hang out here, drag it all the way in. And don't be afraid to blend it out like crazy. I feel like you can't really over blend when you're doing your eyeshadow. Ooh. Can you just take a moment to appreciate it? Take it even further, we are going to take this purple plum color, and this brush is actually from my Naked Ultimate Basics palette. I just like using it for the crease. And just really V it out over here. You can always clean it up. And going back in with my M443 brush, I am gonna just blend out the edges a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of my life. I don't know if I've ever put purple on my eye, but I'm living for it. Okay, and for the lid, I'm going to take this color here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna look awesome. And I think I'm just gonna actually apply that with my finger. Let's see how it applies without me spraying it. And I'm just really gonna focus that on the center of the eye. I'm gonna try and wet my finger with my setting spray just a little bit. Oh yeah, guys, wet your finger. That sounded dirty. And taking my blending brush again, I'm just gonna diffuse those edges. Ouch. And I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean up the edges. So I'm gonna get my brush and just kind of diffuse the edges a little bit. Okay, moving on to foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And that argan oil has finally set. My skin feels a little dewy still, not tacky at all, which I don't mind. I'm taking that on a stippling brush. I have dog hair all over my face, of course. And we are just gonna start working that into the skin. That argan oil is making me look so dewy. Like, this foundation is very dewy on its own. I am seeing things. This color is number 202. It's such a good match for me in the fact that it cancels out like all my redness. You can kind of see how my forehead is still a little bit red. One of the reasons I love this foundation. As always, I'll be taking concealer next from Tarte Shape Tape. This is in Fair Neutral. And I like to put that concealer, or at least I have been, around my mouth like this because I have smiley lines. Okay, we're gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. A damp beauty blender, I should mention. As always, I like to leave my nose last so the Tarte Shape Tape can get a little tacky and sticky. And it will allow me to blend it out really good. I'll be using my Fit Me setting powder in 05 Fair. Okay, and we're just gonna set the under eye. And I just like to bring the access down and around my mouth. Okay, next I'll be going in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. We are gonna bring some color back into my skin. This next product is a liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild's. It's the Hello Halo liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Gilded Glow. So we're gonna check it out. Oh, a doe foot applicator, my favorite. I'm just gonna take a couple drops here. See how that blends out. Kind of subtle. I don't know if it's because of the amount I applied, but it's alright. I really like the formula actually, but if you're trying to go for a blinding highlight, I don't know that this is the one that you're wanting. It's just very subtle. Next, I'm going to set the face as always with Mr. Mario. And for the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, I'll be using Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And I'll be using it on this little pencil brush here. And what I like to do with this one is just do the tip and the bridge. I'm gonna actually pop that in the inner corner as well. And blend that out with my beauty blender. On the cheeks today, I'm going to be trying Physicians Formula's Butter Highlighter. And if it's anything like the butter bronzer, I'm gonna flip out. Shut up. Oh my gosh, it feels like liquid that dries down to a powder. It dries down to powder. It totally feels liquid though. Wow, I'm gonna like this. For $10.99, it comes in 5 different colors. And this is in the shade, doesn't pick up a lot of product. Just doing it on the brush. Oh. Are you guys seeing this? Or is it just me? Hello, new favorite highlighter. That makes the skin look so freaking healthy. I'm actually just gonna bring it on the side of my face. Are you guys seeing this? Like, this is not a joke. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blind someone with my skin today. I am blown away with that product. Definitely a keeper. Going back into this palette, I'm going to go ahead and... Why is this so hard to open? I'm just gonna grab that brush from the Naked Ultimate Basics palette and use the tapered end. And I'm gonna go in first to this orange color. Ooh, pretty. I'm just gonna deepen it up a little bit with this brown shade. Blend that all out. I'll take this M433 brush from Morphe. I will be putting on mascara today to complete the look since it is a more glam look. And this is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Mascara. Beautiful. Using Makeup Revolution's Nude blush. And I just like to put that in between my bronzer and my highlighter. And lastly, to top it all off, I'm using this lip gloss from Rimmel London Stay Glossy. What color are you? Guys, I'm so sorry, I don't know what color this is, but it's just like really shiny and kind of nude. It looks like it'd also be a great topper for lipstick. But since we have a pretty bold eye today, I just want to keep it pretty basic. That formula, you guys, is amazing. And I'm pretty sure this was like $3. It's not sticky at all. It's super smooth. I really like the formula of that. So that's it for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can see my posts and when I'll be posting. Yeah, I just love you guys. And if not, then... Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.